Hello everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can remap any key on your keyboard to do any function you want. So if you want to bind your key to do anything other than its normal function, you've come to the right place. First, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser. You're going to search for sharp keys. You're going to click on this link. Here you're going to click on here. Click on Microsoft Store. Here you're going to click on Get in Store app. Once you're done downloading and installing the app, what you need to do is open up the app from your start menu, typing sharp on your start menu and pressing enter. Here you can see I have set up 3 binds. If I want to add more, I'll just click on add. I'll press the key that I want to bind. So for example, we'll select right control, and for function we'll select mute. Okay, now we'll click on write on registry and it will ask us to restart the computer. We'll click on close here. We'll go to restart, and after we're done restarting, when we press the right control key, it should mute our computer, as you can see, just like this. And when you open up sharp keys again, here you can see it says mute. I have one set up to volume down, one set up to mute, another set to volume up. If I want to delete a bind, I'll just click on delete. And that is basically it, guys. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.